But I've just noticed there's some stuff been stripped away there. They're stripping away all the old, well, like the titles, business titles, whatever it was. Yeah, they're just stripping away like all the writing on the buildings and all the art or whatever was on there. This is disgusting. Sod off, bulldozers. I'm gonna miss this arcade. Why do they want to knock it down? There's something wrong with these developers. Go away. Stop lining your greedy pockets and sod off. Clear off, bulldozers.